This is what it looks like when it's assembled. Okay, you can see that the hooks are like that, and what ended up happening with this end of the rod is it was put into a pocket like that, and then underneath there is another rod that is also in pockets. And now let me show you the options that you have with this. You can have it laying on the ground like that. You also can have it elevated so that only part of it's up, and it can be used as a sun shelter. Okay. And let me take this over here and show you from the back of my van the options that you have. Okay. Okay. And this is just an example. It can be hooked to the back hatch of your vehicle, and there's quite a lot of room up in here. It's a great sunshade, and also to give you a place to sit in the rain. It doesn't have to sit like this. Let me use two hands and show you another option for this. It comes with poles for the legs, in which this, as you can see, I don't have it attached, but it has legs where you can also elevate this up on these two corners, and this can be a canopy. But how I typically use this for my rig is I put it out my sliding doors. I typically put it out the side of my vehicle like this, where my slider is at. And you can see I have plenty of headroom. And this is the inside of my van that I'm just getting unpacked. I'll show you more of that later on.